Nest construction. Oh yeah, a company I might use. I know where that's going.
And meditate on it.
Yeah. I'm going to look at that every month.
Perfect. When we came across those sort of things that you keep because it's a leaflet from a Pilates class that you might fancy doing, or a floor cleaning company that you might use one day but you never know, what we did is we wrote the date on those, today's date, or you could write the date when you pick the leaflet up, but because we only had them today, we wrote today's date on them, and we put them into one folder. So each month Claire's going to flick through them and she'll know how long she's had them, and if she's had it so long it's clear she's never going to use it, she can get rid of it, or it might prompt her to get on and use it, or it can live in the file and go into the next month for a review again.
Yeah, brilliant.